How does motorcycle brake pads no metallic formula work? At Annat Frictions, our motorcycle brake pads no metallic formula enhances two-wheeler braking with an advanced brake pads formula eliminating metals and combining safety, comfort, and durability via premium brake pads friction materials. Let's break down its mechanism, advantages, and technical specs. Performance starts with a precision brake pads mixture, high-purity ceramic fibers, aramid composites, and thermally stable resin binders. Unlike metallic brake pads mixes, it avoids rotor scoring, corrosion, and heat fade. When braking, the brake pads friction materials form a 0.002 to 0.004 mm transfer film, delivering predictable stopping power and extreme tongue while cutting noise and wear. Key advantages: ultra-quiet operation, is less than or equal to 60 decibels, 40% quieter than industry averages. Exceptional durability, retains 90% thickness after 40,000 kilometers to 30% better than metallic alternatives. And eco-friendliness, 98% less toxic dust, rotor life extended by 40%. Technical parameters: friction coefficient 0.41 to 0.47, JISD 4411, compression strength 7.8 GPa, thermal conductivity 0.35 W per meter, K, operating temperature -40 degrees Celsius to 620 degrees Celsius. These ensure linear braking for city or mountain rides. Every batch undergoes 14 quality checks for consistent brake pads formula performance. In summary, Annat Frictions motorcycle brake pads no metallic formula leverages top-tier brake pads friction materials and a precision brake pads mixture ideal for riders seeking quiet, long-lasting, eco-conscious braking without compromising safety.